Hello everyone, I hope you're well. I've been called out to this property to carry out a gas safety check. Upon arrival I noticed that the boiler is giving a slightly different measurement reading on the screen that we're all familiar to. As you can see, it's reading 14.5 psi, so that's the pressure within the system. But we don't normally read in PSIs or in imperial in this country, in the UK. We're familiar with the metric reading, so we're expecting 1.5 bar pressure, but it needs to be in metric. And it's not just the water pressure reading that is given us in imperial, it's actually giving us the temperatures in imperial readings as well. The boiler in question is a Vokera Easy Heat I29C. So I will quickly demonstrate it to you on how you can actually change this setting back to metric. Because I'm sure you will all agree that we're not familiar to these numbers here. Let me just turn heating on and show you what we see. Okay, where is this controller, programmer? It's an EPH wireless programmable thermostat or programmer. I've just activated heating and look at these numbers going crazy, guys. Now, we're not familiar to all of this in this country, Fahrenheit and imperial readings. If you are, you can stick to it by all means. But if you're like me and you want to change it back to metric, we can do it by following this procedure. Okay, what we're going to do is, first of all, we need to just quickly familiarize ourselves with this interface. So, the buttons are recognized as A, B, C and D, and then at the bottom we have 1, 2 and 3. What we're going to do is we're going to press button 3 and hold it until it shows us 004. Let's do it together. Yep, once we have 004, to enter into this menu now, press button A, and that takes us to the setting that is currently set to, which is number 1. We need to change this number 1 back to 0, and to enter it we just press the button 3 once, and that locks our setting. And when we come back out, that's the B button, which takes us back out to the original screen. And as you can see, it's changed from Fahrenheit to centigrade, so it's gone from imperial back to metric. And if we turn the boiler off, let's turn the boiler off. Here we go, we are back to bar setting, we are back to metric. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this was informative. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and this video. Your support means a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.